Hello guys, it is me, Teamer Pepper here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be playing Project Cat on itch.io. So Project Cat, and on itch it's gonna look like this. On itch, Project Cat V14 APK, it's gonna look like that. And I'm trying to record this so I could get this and that maybe, because I need 10 subs. I got 250 subs, 100 views, and you only need one vid. It doesn't even matter how much views you got. You need 100 views for that. So there's owner and admin, trial mod. I can't grab that because that's just a display prop item. So there's cosmetics. You could actually buy them. You could also buy all these here. And you could also buy like probably the whole shop, because look at all those shiny rocks. So this game is in the Gorilla Tag launch update, the launch sale, and the holiday overstock. And yeah, this is pretty cool. There is working servers, but I don't think anybody's online right now. There is a mod menu. You got Long Arms, Mosa, Iron Monkey. Okay, so I don't think Fly works. Yeah, Long Arms do. Mosa works. And no tag, freeze, and fly. Yeah, but that is Project Cat V14. If you want to see some more videos, please like and subscribe. It would help a lot. And also subscribe to these guys here. Tracking. Also subscribe to these legends over here. See, it's gonna, if you click on them, it'll just bring you to their YouTube. But yeah, that is Project Cat, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.